What's going on, everyone? Welcome to GZT Tech, where we talk about tech that either I'm interested in or tech that we think that you should check out. And today we have just that. Today we're looking at the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Now you might be wondering why we haven't done an Apple Watch review on this or unboxing on this channel, and it's because I've still been using the first generation Apple Watch, and for its purpose it's been doing great, except the last 2 years where the battery started to decline and phone calls weren't really answerable. Let's just say they couldn't really hear you on the other side. But I went ahead and bought the Series 6 because I feel this is going to help my fitness game up and do better. So, well, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and we'll run by some of the features of the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Here we have the Apple Watch Series 6. Go ahead and lift up these here. And here we are. So here we get the Apple Watch itself. Let's get this out. I purchased the 44mm Space Gray. Space Gray just goes with everything. But we also have the instruction manual. If this is a brand new Apple Watch for you, go ahead and read through all of that. I've had one, so I'm not going to bother. Here is the Apple Watch charger in here. We're gonna need that, so we'll keep that outside. And on the bottom here is our band. I purchased basically the same band because I didn't want to go with Apple's brand new Apple One Loop. Basically, it's an elastic that just fits over your wrist, and that's about it. But this is the black sport band. Just go ahead and pull this tab out, such as small, medium, and then I think large is the other one. And yeah, so here we have the small, medium, and then the medium, large. I usually tend to go towards the medium, large. So we'll take this part out and go through the Apple Watch. Let's take a closer look at the Apple Watch Series 6. So it comes in this, I guess, recycled material, which is pretty nice. It has 44mm labeled here. Let's get this out of here really quick. And it turns on. So while it's turning on here, take a look at the back. And wow, that's actually a big difference. This is the blood oxygen level sensors. It'll shine red. Also does ECGs, and also has the always on retina display, which is 2.5 times brighter in daylight. So this looks pretty nice. Got the speaker grills here. We have power mic. I usually wear mine's like this, so this is pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get the bands in here. Take this, it's very simple. Go ahead and slide that in until you hear a click. And we'll do the same thing on this side here. And there we go. Here, now let's take a look at this here. You can see on the band here, it's labeled 44mm. Here is the size. I switched to a small, medium just for more comfort. Setting up the Apple Watch on your phone is also extremely easy. The Apple Watch immediately pops up, super easy, and you go ahead and go through the setup process here. Now while your Apple Watch is being set up, you can go ahead and go through all of the basic steps here and learn more about your Apple Watch. It's especially helpful if you are new to the Apple Watch, as it really helps you learn really quickly how it works. Now once you're ready, you can just click on the digital crown and you should be taken straight home. And I can already see a good difference. Basically, my Apple Watch Series 1 watch face has been transformed from a square shape all the way to a switch. I don't know what that was. Oh, that basically was if you wanted to use one watch or the other. But now, what I was primarily looking at is see how everything is more of a square face. I love how it's a bit more rounded out, and you can definitely see a difference in the display. Now, be it that I have a screen protector that needs to be changed on here, which I was reluctant to do, but I also have a screen protector for the screen here, but you can really tell a difference of how even the 2mm bigger, because this is a 42mm, this is a 44mm, you can definitely see the differences in the clarity, how much more bolder it looks on here, and it's much more smoother as far as operations go. Whereas on here, it's really not as smooth. It's working fine right now, but I've had my fair share of issues with this. Now to sum it up, the Apple Watch Series 6 is Apple's newest wearable flagship device. The device features a blood oxygen monitor, ability to measure ECGs, and the new always-on OLED Retina display, which is 2.5 times brighter. The screen coming in at 368 by 448 pixels. With watchOS 7, it can also track your sleep. It now also comes in a blue and product red color in the aluminum finish. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. Running the watch is the S6 chip with dual-core processor and a W3 wireless chip. Storage-wise, it has a 32GB of built-in storage for apps and music, Bluetooth 5.0, and an all-day 18-hour battery life. The prices start at $399 for the 40mm GPS model and $499 for the GPS Plus cellular model. Please note that with cellular capabilities, you will have to pay extra to your wireless carrier to be able to use that cellular function of the watch without needing your phone with you. All of this and so much more with watchOS 7. We will definitely be putting this watch through its paces to see how it holds up. I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing and feature overview of the Apple Watch Series 6. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and if you're already subscribed, thank you. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified of when new content like this comes out. This is GZT Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.